Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ferlinda again from Make Money Online. Before that we are going to my topic, kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly click my another social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website and Pinterest. Okay guys, we are talking about on how to making money online. This is the home page that I want to show you on how to making money online. First, how to making money online, an ideal opportunity for a dream job if you want to work and earn in order to achieve your dreams. There are the excellent compensation plan, 6 ways to earn a commission check every month, earn direct commission from sales at triple clicks, earn a share of all sales at triple clicks each month when you are executive affiliate or above, earn from your downline up to 12 levels deep, earn from selling your products on triple clicks as an ACA if you have things you are interested in selling internationally. Earn when others you refer sell products on triple clicks. This is another side, looking for a solid opportunity. Earn $500 to $1,000 a week or more. Thousands of people are creating financial freedom from the comfort of their homes. Set on your own hours, nothing to buy or sell, work from home, no monthly fees, free training and one-on-one support, no experience necessary. If you are interested, kindly click here. Wait for a while. This is the page that you want or you can to sign up if you are interested. The name is SFI, everything you need to start growing a second income from home today. Grow a second income with the world's #1 affiliate program now in our 21st year. Sign up free below. There are the 22 reasons why you love SFI. Work from the comfort of your home or as you travel on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. More than 100,000 quality goods and services from vendors worldwide. Start free, no obligation and no purchase requirements ever. Can start earning money within hours. We take care of all orders, payment, shipping, and customer service for you. And this is the secret to big commissions. And there are also what others are saying. I don't think anyone could go wrong with the superior training and support that SFI freely offers to their affiliates, and the products are great too. From USA, Erini. If you are read more testimonial here, and then if you are interested her to want to be a member, kindly click your or sign up to this, your first name, last name, your country, password, confirm password, email address, and get started money with SFI now. And back to the home page here. This is the SFI guarantees. Before that, get started with $250 in cash. SFI guarantees security and punctuality in your monthly payment by check or deliver directly to your bank account. A scientific strategy to follow in order to achieve your income goals. All the management tools you need, online training, including interactive live session, constant assistance from your personal team coach, very high compatibility. And then, what you need is a computer with a good internet connection, passion for the internet, willingness to learn a complete new job, self-discipline, at least 10 hours per week, no experience required, or all training is in-house and online. And then the other, click this if you want to more information. I'm with SFI because they're the real deal. For nearly 2 decades now, they have provided anyone who's willing to work a real way to earn extra income as an internet marketer from the comfort of their home. By the way, hi, my name is Verlinda Darcy, and I will help you and learn how to be successful in this job. If you want to be interested this site on how to making money online, this is a free registration here. Click this, and before that, for start, look a video and do first step. Click this video first.
Welcome to
Or
Strong Future International
this is
Company.
the video here for more information on how it works on SFI. If you are more information, don't hesitate to contact my name, Berlinda Darcy, team leader, in SFI, or email at me vdelota@yahoo.com. This is all about, guys. And if you want interested, kindly read the description below for more details about on how to make money online as a internet affiliate marketing. Thank you, guys. That it is all about, guys, about my video on how to making money online. Kindly read the description below for more information, and don't forget to press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel. Kindly press the bell icon also and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.